High up in the mountains, there lived a lovely group of moose who loved fall. It was a beautiful fall day, and the moose were playing in the leaves. There was Madge, who would run and jump in the leaves, and Henry, who would join her. And they would jump and have so much fun and nuzzle noses. And then they would go off and get some apple cider. And then there was Melinda, and she would jump in the leaves. Yee-haw! And so would George, and they would go back and forth in the leaves and have so much fun, and then they would go off and get some cider. And then there was Mildred, who loved to show off her pumpkin fall sweater. Yoo-hoo! Hello there! I'm going to jump in the leaves. And along came James. And they would jump and jump and jump and go back and forth and jump on the leaves until they got so tired and exhausted. And they would go off to have some hot apple cider. Everyone loved the fall activities of jumping in the leaves, except for Millie. Millie was a little shy moose. She loved to be at home baking. 1 scoop, 2 scoops, 3 scoops more. I'm making some fall treats for my friends and more. I'm gonna make some blueberry tarts and pumpkin muffins and maybe some apple pie. So Millie was baking all afternoon, mixing and putting everything in the oven. And when things were ready, she put everything in a basket. Yippee! As she was excited to bring her friends some fall treats. Well, up in the mountains, the boy moose were showing off in front of the girls playing antler games. I'm gonna win! Oh, no, you're not. I'm gonna win. And they were showing off, and oh, I'm tired. And then the other one would come and everything, getting tangled. I'm gonna win this one. Nope, me. And this time, George won. Yee-haw! Well, you cheated. I think it's just wonderful how you male moose can tangle your antlers. It's so brave of you. Meanwhile, Millie came by with her basket of goodies. She noticed there was a moose that was on the other end. She wanted to meet him. So Millie went over to the moose who was all by himself. Hi, my name is Millie. Would you like to try one of my pumpkin muffins? Oh, shucks, you don't have to give me a pumpkin muffin. Oh, but I want to. Go ahead and try it. So the moose took a nibble. That's quite delicious. Oh, thank you. I love to bake. Oh, my name is Sam, by the way. And I'm Millie. I probably already told you. Well, guess what? Baking is my favorite thing. Oh, me too. I love to bake. It's hard to find someone else who likes to bake. So Millie and Sam had so much fun getting to know each other and eating their treats. They even danced together. And then Millie decided to leave her treats for the rest of her friends with the help of the narrator. And off went Sam and Millie to go look at the sunset together. And a while later, it was getting a little bit darker. Little Millie and Sam came back to join the crowd. And they were all happy to have fall treats and good friends. What a great day. It sure is. Millie was excited to meet a new friend, and everyone had the best fall day ever.
Hi guys! So today we're going
going over the letter M. But we say, This is a little M. This is a big as in mountain. All right, guys. So I've got a big and a little Now, my assistant is going to do a letter over here, and you have to guess if it's a big or a little Okay, ready, set, go. All right, if you guessed a little then you were right. Good job. So here we go. We're going to write our little Start at the cherry. A little is just on the bottom portion of the two sections, okay? Start at the cherry. Go down, up over one hill, and up over another. There you go. And cherry. It's like a roller coaster. So much fun. Okay, and on the big we are going to do something similar, but the tops are a little pointier, and it takes up 2 spaces. Okay, move this up a little bit, assistant. Thank you. Okay, starting at the cherry, go down, right back up, down. And right back up to the tippy top, and down the mountain, up the mountain, down. Whee! Try it again. And right back up and down, up and down. And one more. Down, up, down, up, down. Oh boy, so much fun. Voila! Hi guys! I've got the letter for mittens. See my new mittens? Pretty snazzy. For mittens. There's one that fell off. Hello, Ellie here. I have for material. Oh yes, I can make pajamas out of this. For material. Hi guys, Jerome here. All right, we're gonna do some letter art. Yeah, I love it. Okay, so here's our letter for today. Little for monkey, Mary, let me think here. Millie the Mouse. Lots of things, okay? All right, we'll put that aside, and I'll show you what we're going to draw with it. Okay, here's our little moose. You can see the little on the antler thingies that go on top of their head, okay? So I'll put that there, and then my assistant will get a marker out, get a darker color so you can see it nicely. Okay, and I put a honey line over here because when we make the little as you can see, they go toward the honey line. Yeah. Okay, so we're going to draw a loop for the face. Okay, so a loop, and then you kind of come out, around, come out and in. So it looks kind of like the face of the moose. See, well, let's put our example there. Okay? All right, now we're going to put a line on this side and a line going that way. Okay, so a line over here and a line over there. Good. Okay, now we're going to put a little on both sides. So a little and then on the other side. Okay, good. Okay, and now you're going to make like some nostrils, 2 holes there. Okay, maybe a little bigger. And then 2 little dots for the eyes. Okay, some loops for the ears, like one right there. Put a little line in it. The other side. Okay, good. And then you can see where it's going, the line is going down the neck and a little bump, and then, yeah, because they have a little bump on the back of their neck, okay? So, starting here, down, little bump, okay, loop around. You're going to come back to right about there. Yeah. Okay, and then we're just going to draw some little legs going down, over, up. We got 3 more. Down, over, up. Okay, 2 more. Down, over, up, and then maybe a little tail. Okay, there's our little moose. Okay, guys, now we're gonna make a big for mountain. Yeah. Okay, so here's my example. You can see I've got 2 people climbing on the mountains. Here's a little that we use for, antlers. For their antlers, we use some little Flipping it over, we got a big okay? So, we're going to make a big mountain. All right, we're going to start at the top, go down, climb up the flagpole, go down the slide, up the slide. Start off. Ready? Go. Down the pole. Oh, get another marker. Okay, let's try it again. Down the pole, climb back up the pole, go down the mountain, up the mountain, and then slide down this pole. Good job. Okay, now let's make a little zigzag. All right, little ziggy zag. And the other side. Okay, zoom in. There you go. Little ziggy zag, another ziggy zag. Okay, color a little bit underneath. Okay, you can kind of color down. We'll kind of overlap a little bit. All right, maybe use the purple. Purple Mountain's Majesty. Oh, yeah, looking fancy. Good job. Okay, we're going to put some people climbing. Okay, let's get the green since our black wasn't working very well. Make a big dot. Little body line. Okay, a little bent leg. And a long leg. And 1 arm. Nice. Okay, let's make another guy over here. Okay, a dot. Little body. Bent leg. Long leg. And 1 arm. There we go. We've got our hikers hiking up the mountain with the big Good job, guys.